From the OBTV Live Weather Center, this is your Day Planner forecast with meteorologist Sam Riker.
Hello, I'm Sam Riker. You're watching OBTVLive.com, your Day Planner forecast brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They're located at 5847 Getwell Road in Suite A8 across from the Water Tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. Relax and enjoy the cool weather outside today. Let's take a look at that forecast. At 8 a.m., we should be chilly at 44 degrees, 54 degrees at noon today, 51 after the sun sets at 5 p.m. Winds today from the northwest, 15 to 20 miles per hour, maybe gusting to 30 miles an hour. You see that QR code under that 51? Hover over that and that takes you right to their online store and their website. I'm Sam Riker. Thanks for watching today.